Dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 13 Amines, lecture number 1. This video contains following points: classification of amines and nomenclature of amines. Amines. Amines are compounds and functional groups that contain a basic nitrogen atom with a lone pair. Or amines are derivatives of ammonia in which one or more hydrogen atoms have been replaced by a substituent such as an alkyl or aryl group. General formula RNH2 in which this nitrogen contains lone pair of electron. And amines are basic in nature and present in proteins, vitamins, hormones, and nicotine. For example, methylamine, ethylamine, diethylamine, trimethylamine, aniline, benzylamine. Classification of amines. Amines are classified as primary amines, secondary amines, and tertiary amines. Primary amines are the amines in which one hydrogen atom of ammonia is replaced by one alkyl group. Secondary amines in which two hydrogen atoms of ammonia are replaced by two same or different alkyl groups. Tertiary amines are the amines in which all the three hydrogen atoms of ammonia are replaced by same or different alkyl groups. Types of amines. First type, primary amine. Name of functional group is amino functional group. Formula -NH2 and example C2H5NH2. Name ethylamine. Secondary amine. Name of functional group imino and represented by -NH dash. Formula CH3NHCH3 dimethylamine. Tertiary amine. Functional group is represented as a tertiary nitrogen N with 3 unsatisfied valencies. Formula of example CH3 3 times N trimethylamine. Amines are also divided into two major classes, namely aliphatic and aromatic amines, on the basis of nature of the groups attached to the nitrogen atom. For example, methylamine and ethylamine. These are the examples of aliphatic amine. Aniline and diphenylamine. These are the examples of aromatic amine. Nomenclature of amines. Common names. First, alkyl group is written, then suffix amine, that is alkyl amine. For example, CH3NH2. Name of compound is methyl amine. First, alkyl group, In this compound, methyl alkyl group is present, and then suffix amine. For second compound, N-propyl, this is name of the alkyl group and suffix amine. In mixed amines, the names of alkyl groups are written in alphabetical order. This is an example of mixed amine. One methyl group and one ethyl group is present in this compound. Ethyl and methyl. Alphabetically, the name of compound is given as ethyl methyl amine. If two or three identical alkyl groups are attached to nitrogen atom, the prefix di or tri is added before the name of alkyl group. For example, CH3 NHCH3. In this compound, two methyl groups are present. So, prefix di is used. Dimethyl amine. Next example, in which there are three methyl groups present in the compound. So, the name of compound is trimethyl amine. The parent aryl amine C6H5NH2 is named as aniline. So this is the structure of aniline, C6H5NH2, named as aniline. Other aromatic amines are named as derivatives of aniline. Consider this example, which contains methyl group and amino group. With respect to amino group, methyl group is present at para position. So name of this compound is para-toluidine. Another example, which contains bromo group and amino group. With respect to amino group, bromo group is present at para position. So, name of this compound becomes derivative of aniline as para bromo aniline. IUPAC names. Primary amines are named by replacing the ending E of the parent alkane by suffix amine as alkanamine. For example, CH3NH2, primary amine, parent alkane methane, ending E replaced by suffix amine, and we get this. methanamine. Next example, parent ethane. E is replaced by amine. It becomes ethanamine. A locant indicating the position of amino group is added before the suffix amine. In this compound, this is alkyl part and this is functional group. Parent is propane. E is replaced by amine and we get propan amine. Locant indicating the position of amino group is added before the suffix name. This is suffix name. And this amino group is present at first carbon atom. So locant is added before the suffix. So the name becomes propan -1 amine. Propan 1 amine. Second example, 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 carbon atoms present in the parent. So parent is again propane. E is replaced by amine and the amino group is attached to the second carbon atom. So position of locant is at second carbon atom. So the name becomes propan -2 amine. IUPAC name propan 2 amine. When 2 or more amino groups are present, the prefix di or tri, etc. are used with proper locant. In this case, the ending E of parent alkane is retained. Let us consider this example in which there are 2 carbon atoms in parent. So parent is ethane and locants are present at first and second position. First amino group is present at first carbon atom and second amino group is present at second carbon atom. So position or locants are represented as -1, 2 dash or hyphen di amine. So the name becomes ethane 1,2 diamine. Secondary and tertiary amines are named as N-substituted derivatives of primary amines. Parent contains 1 carbon atom and substituent contains 1 carbon atom which is attached with the nitrogen atom. So IUPAC name becomes N hyphen methyl and methyl and parent contains 1 carbon atom, so methanamine. Next example, Three alkyl groups are present. First methyl group, second group methyl group, third methyl group. Three methyl groups are present. First alkyl group act as a parent. So second and third alkyl groups are attached with the nitrogen atom, and IUPAC name becomes N, N dimethyl methanamine. NN dimethyl methanamine. The largest alkyl group attached to nitrogen is taken as a parent alkane and other alkyl group as N substituents. In this example, this alkyl group contains 2 carbon atom and the next alkyl group contains 1 carbon atom. So this alkyl group acts as a parent and this methyl group acts as a substituent and attached with the nitrogen atom. So IUPAC name becomes N-methyl ethanamine. In the next example, again 3 alkyl groups are present. First alkyl group contains 2 carbon atom and other contains 1 carbon atom. So this group acts as a parent and these 2 alkyl groups act as a substituent and which attached to nitrogen atom. So IUPAC name is N, N dimethyl ethanamine. NN dimethyl ethanamine. While naming aryl amines, ending E of arene is replaced by amine. For example, this is aniline, where amino group is attached with benzene. This E is replaced by amine and the name becomes benzenamine. Let us consider common name and IUPAC name of some alkyl and aryl amines. First example, CH3NH2. Common name methylamine and IUPAC name methanamine. Second example, which contains 3 carbon atoms and amino group is attached with the first carbon atom. So common name is N-propylamine and IUPAC name propan-1-amine. Third example contains 3 carbon atom and amino group is attached with the second carbon atom. Common name isopropylamine. IUPAC name 2-amino-propane or propan 2-amine. Fourth example, which contains 2 carbon atom and 2 amino groups are attached with first and second carbon atom. So common name becomes ethylene diamine. Ethylene diamine. This is ethylene group. And IUPAC name ethane 1,2 diamine. Next example, which contains 3 carbon atom and 1 NH2 group and double bond is present after second carbon atom. Common name is allyl amine. This group is called as allyl group. And IUPAC name prop 2 in 1 amine. Parent contains 3 carbon atom. So prop double bond is present after second carbon atom. And to the first carbon atom amino group is present. So prop 2 in 1 amine is IUPAC name. Next example, common name aniline or phenylamine. This is phenyl group and amino group. Phenylamine. IUPAC name aniline or benzenamine. E of benzene is replaced by amine. Next example, which contains 6 CH2 group and 2 NH2 groups are attached with the terminal carbon atoms. So common name hexamethylene diamine. And IUPAC name hexane 1,6 diamine. Next example, in which methyl group is present and amino group is present. Methyl group is present with respect to para position of amino group. So common name is para toluidine. And methyl group is present at fourth position with respect to amino group. So IUPAC name 4-methyl aniline. Next example contains cyclohexyl alkyl group and amino group. So common name cyclohexyl amine. And IUPAC name cyclohexanamine. Next example, in which benzyl alkyl group is present and amino group is present. So common name benzyl amine. And IUPAC name phenyl methanamine. Next example, halogen group, bromide and amino group is present, or bromo and amino group is present. With respect to para position, common name para bromo aniline, and IUPAC name 4-bromo aniline. Or 4-bromo benzenamine. Examples of secondary amine. First example, which contains 2 methyl groups are attached with the nitrogen of amino functional group. Common name dimethylamine. Methyl group is attached with the nitrogen, so IUPAC name becomes N-methyl, and parent contains 1 carbon atom, N-methyl methanamine. Next example, which contains 1 methyl group and 1 ethyl group is present. So ethyl group act as a parent and methyl group substituent. N-methyl ethanamine. And common name ethyl methylamine. Next example, methyl group and phenyl group is attached with nitrogen atom of secondary amine. So common name M and P alphabetically. Methyl phenyl amine. IUPAC name N-methyl benzenamine. Or N-methyl aniline. Next example, 2 phenyl groups are attached with the secondary amino functional group. So common name diphenylamine. IUPAC name N-phenyl benzenamine. Examples of tertiary amine. First example, 3 methyl groups are attached with the nitrogen atom. Common name trimethylamine. And IUPAC name 2 methyl groups are attached with nitrogen of tertiary amine. So N, N dimethyl methanamine. Next example, 3 alkyl groups, 2 methyl groups and 1 ethyl group. Ethyl group act as a parent compound. So, common name ethyl dimethylamine. And IUPAC name. These two methyl groups are attached with nitrogen. So, N, N dimethyl, and parent compound contains 2 carbon atoms. NN dimethyl ethanamine. Next compound, which contains 3 different alkyl groups, methyl, ethyl and N-propyl. Alphabetical order: ethyl, methyl, N-propyl amine. This is common name. And in IUPAC name, this N-propyl group act as a parent and methyl and ethyl as a substituents which attached with the nitrogen atom. So IUPAC name becomes N-ethyl N-methyl propan 1 amine. Next compound, which contains 1 methyl group, 1 ethyl group and 1 isopropyl group attached with the tertiary nitrogen atom. So alphabetical order: ethyl, methyl, isopropyl amine. This is common name. An IUPAC name contains parent compound with 3 carbon atom and ethyl and methyl as a substituent. So IUPAC name N-ethyl N-methyl propan 2, position of attachment to the locant 2 amine. So name becomes N-ethyl N-methyl propan 2 amine. Next example, which contains 2 methyl groups and 1 phenyl group attached with the tertiary nitrogen atom. So common name NN dimethyl aniline. And IUPAC name NN dimethyl benzenamine.